Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Mannings Hill Road. Now this road was recently patched under the REACH program, and so we're giving you a tour of the work that was done. Now Jamaica has two major road projects on the way, road repair programs. The REACH program is a $5 billion program where they go ahead and they are going to be patching the roads in Jamaica. Now, the big program is a Spark program where they're going to be spending $45 billion to basically do over the entire road with drainage, water pipes, everything. That project is just getting started, but the REACH program is on the way, and one of the roads that were patched recently is this road, which is Mannings Hill Road. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the REACH program. Work has commenced under the government's Relief, Emergency Assistance and Community Help REACH program. REACH was initiated to repair widespread road damage caused during the passage of Hurricane Beryl. The government allocated an initial $3 billion under the program, which was focused on community roads. This allowed members of parliament to select the roads that were of major concern to their constituents. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness announced the provision of an additional $2 billion, which brought the total allocation to $5 billion. Manager of Communication and Customer Services at the National Works Agency, which is spearheading the project's implementation, Stephen Shaw, stated that roadworks have commenced in sections of Kingston and St. Andrew, Manchester, Clarendon, and St. Elizabeth, among other parishes. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think about this road after it has been patched. Now I think it has made a huge difference. You can actually drive on the road and you don't have to swerve or stop to go through potholes. Now I'm wondering, if this program is fixed under the REACH program, does that mean it's not one of the roads to be fixed under the Spark program? Because I've noticed the roads that are on the list for Spark, they don't seem to do the patching work on it. I guess they're just waiting to do over the entire road. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.